Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Gcash error showing this feature does not support Android 4.4. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to launch a Play Store and go ahead, search for Gcash. At times when your application is not updated, you might be able to see that error. So if you see update, select update and update your app. Second, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and you will see software update. So if you think your software needs updation, you will see it right here. Select download and install and make sure your device is updated. Now, once you have already updated your Android, go ahead and launch your Gcash application. Once you do all that, your Gcash should work properly and normally. In case if your Android is stuck on 4.4, then I'm not sure if Gcash will ever work in your device. In that case, I would recommend you to use another device. And just like so guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.